again. All right, so I think what is your last question here, if I've sorted them all out correctly? You're asking about the weighted average, and you've got the right idea here. In the question, she's going to weight the middle column 3 times the weight of the first one, and then the last column, she's going to weight that 6 times, and so you've got that written in. So this is like a times 1 here. That doesn't show up very well. Let's use blue. All right. And so basically, if you look at the way that she's proportioned out the tests, there's kind of like 10 shares, or whatever you want to call it, in terms of, how many points each one counts for. We've got 10 points total that it's going to add up to. And so all you want to do is go across and just do the math that way. Just go 1 times 25 plus 3 times 50 plus 6 times 75 equals. And then because that was sort of like the equivalent of 10 test marks, you're going to take your total. So in this case, we've got, 25 plus 150, 175. And then that one's going to give us 450. So what did I say? 175 and 450. 625, I think. So we'll take 625 and divide it by 10. And we'll get 62.5% average for that student, okay? And that makes sense because the 75% mark is counting for a lot more than half of the whole mark. And so to land on the higher side there, like 62.5, makes sense. And so that's all you're going to do each time is just, go through, do the multiplying, and then when you're done, take your total and divide it by 10 because that's the number of total points that we assign to the test. So I hope that helps. And if you if you have other questions that you want to email in anytime, if you could just split them up for me, that would just make it a lot easier to make sure that I've answered everything that you're looking for help with. Okay? Thanks.